Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. As you all know that in the previous class in video we had studied about the beginning or invention of the wheel and also beginning of a settled life and Neolithic tools. Okay, these were the three topics which we had already discussed. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is the name of the topic is pottery. Okay, see, this is one of the pot made up of mud. They used to make mud pot. Okay, and next topic which we will discuss, that is life of the people, and last topic, that is the Chalcolithic age, means use of metal. Okay, these were the three topics which we will discuss today. Okay, so let's open your book and see one by one. First, pottery. Farming gave rise to pottery making when they started agriculture, and with the invention of agriculture they got the idea of making pottery. Why? Because when they used to produce more and more crop, and then they have got the idea that where we should put keep or store our grains. That's why they need to make a what? Pot. Okay, so let's see. At first they stored the grains in large basket, or they preserved it in pits. First of all, when they got more and more production, they used to store their grains in basket. Okay, and after that sometime they used to store their grains in pit. After digging the earth, they used to store or preserve their grains. और ट्रेंचेस, ट्रेंचेस मीन्स यू नो ना, खाई खाई बनाकर, गड्ढा बना करके रखते थे. That they dug below the ground, and that pit they used to dug under the ground. Okay, in this way they used to store their grains. Storage of grains till the next cultivation. Why they need all this? They need all this means pot, because they had to store their grains, their crop for next coming season. आने वाले अगले साल के लिए वो लोग उसको इकट्ठा करके रखना चाहते थे. Storage of grains till the next cultivation season created the need of a pottery. Why they need a pottery? Only because for the storage of crops for their next season. Many kinds of earthen pots were used by the Neolithic people. They used to make many types of with many designs earthen pot. They were plains. Sometimes they were plains, different in color, and had decorations on them. Sometimes they used to decorate their pot by making small flowers, or by coloring it, or they used to make with in different shape by giving somewhat like this, like this. Okay, all this they used to make it. They were plain, different in color, and had decoration on them. Earthen pots were also used for cooking food. We have seen ना, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा कि earthen मिट्टी के बर्तन में कभी कभी कुक किया जाता है, खाना पकाया जाता है. They in that time, mean early man used to cook their food in that earthen pot. Cloth making also started during this age, and also during this age they used to make clothes. They wove clothes. कैसे बुनाई करते थे clothes? Using different kinds of material. In weaving clothes they used to different they used to different types of materials. Cotton began to grow during this time, and also how they used to uh, weave clothes, because cotton also started to grow during this period or time. Now, life of the people, what type of life they used to spend. Okay, so let's see. There is no direct archaeological evidence regarding the customs and practice of the Neolithic people. मीन्स देयर इज नो डायरेक्ट, कोई भी डायरेक्ट एविडेंस या प्रूफ्स नहीं है जिससे कि पता चले कि उनके क्या कस्टम्स थे, क्या वो फॉलो करते थे, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कस्टम्स दे यूज टू प्रैक्टिस. एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट studied the lives of present day farmers. Anthropologists, they used to, what they used to do, they study the present day lives of the people, farmers who practice simple agriculture. What they do, they used to practice only simple agriculture, and also observe the lives of herders, and also they used to observe or identify the lives of herder, means चारवाहों की. They made interference that these, उनका अनुमान था, वो केवल अनुमान लगाते थे. They made interference they made inferences that these farmers and herders lived in groups. They find out, lastly they come on the conclusion that these farmers and herders, they used to live what, in groups, not living, not they used to live alone, but they used to live in groups called tribes. That's why we call them as tribes. The eldest or the strongest was the leader, and in that groups, the strongest one become the leader of that group. Every member of the tribe was assigned a task, and they have allotted uh, each and every member a task, maybe sometime more than one task. मीन्स कभी कभी एक से ज़्यादा काम भी उन्हें सौंप दिया जाता था. लाइक मेकिंग टूल्स और हंटिंग. व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ जॉब दे आर गेटिंग, टास्क दे आर गेटिंग, दे गेट समटाइम हंटिंग एंड व्हाट, मेकिंग tools. People exchanged their surplus with other surplus. Sometimes, see here, sometimes what happens, कभी कभी क्या होता था कि कभी किसी के पास कुछ ज़्यादा सामान हो गया, किसी चीज़ की ज़्यादा मात्रा हो गई और उसके पास हो, इस तरह से ये लोग सामान को एक्सचेंज करते थे. ठीक, दिस सिस्टम इज नोन एज बार्टर सिस्टम. This was the earliest form of trade. In this way they started their trade. Now, Chalcolithic age, use of metals. How they started the use of metals. Gradually the early men, slowly the early humans began to use copper along with stone tools, and slowly the early human beings, they started the use of copper as well as stone tools. This happened around 6,000 years ago, and means this incident occurred near about 6,000 years ago, and this period is called Chalcolithic age, and that's why this period is known as Chalcolithic age. एज मीन्स जब उन्होंने कॉपर और स्टोन का यूज करना शुरू कर दिया, ये कौन सा एज है, चैल्कोलिथिक एज, ऑल्सो नोन एज कॉपर स्टोन एज, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 4000 to 2000 BCE. Copper came into use since it was stronger as compared to stone. Why they started the use of copper? Because copper was more and more stronger than in comparison to stone. This Chalcolithic age is important since it marks the shift from the use of stones to metals. That's why this Chalcolithic age is one of the most important age. Why? Because it started the use of copper metal instead of a stone. Material remains of the Stone Age has been found in the northeastern states. How they got the idea that they used stone as well as copper? Why? Because they got some proof, evidence from the some places like northeastern states in Brongiri, Mismigiri, Mismagiri, Selbagiri and Rongram, Alagiri. These were the places. In Mizoram and Manipur also remains of stone tools have been found, and also they were able to find out these stones tools in these states, means you can say Mizoram and Manipur also, and also some other places like you have just studied where Mismagiri, Selbagiri, Rongram, Alagiri. Okay. Now, Daojali Harding in Assam is an important Neolithic site. This is also one of the important Neolithic site, means place. Pestles and mortars, polished stone tools and some pots have been excavated from this site. यहाँ इस जगह से भी खुदाई करने के बाद कुछ सामान इनको मिले. These findings point towards a probability that people were growing grains, and after getting all these proofs, they come to the point that they maybe, means there is possibility that they must use what? That people were growing grains and using these grains to prepare food. Tools made of fossil wood have also been found here, and also some tools also found that was made up of fossil wood. Another important find is a stone, and also एक और बड़ी खोज थी, that is a stone. Jadeite. Jadeite means a hard green mineral which most probably was brought from. इसको कहा जा रहा है कि ये में भी हो सकता है कि पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि इसको चाइना से लाया गया. वो एक ग्रीन टाइप का मिनरल है जो कि चाइना से में भी लाया गया हो. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड our chapter 3. In next class I will give you notes of this chapter. Okay, exercises and also notes. So today only this much. Thank you beta.